Good morning, children. In today's class, we'll be continuing with our chapter number 5, subtraction, and in that, we'll be continuing with word problems. In last class, just a minute, I'll just adjust this. In last class, we learned how to solve subtraction problems without borrowing and with borrowing, right, children? Remember, 4-digit numbers without borrowing and with borrowing. Now, we'll be starting with subtraction, that is word problems. Okay, in addition also we solve the same kind. Let's look at the problem here. Okay, a farmer grows 3290 kg of jowar. He kept 1376 kg of it for his household use and sold the remaining. What is the quantity of jowar sold? Okay, so what they are saying here is there is a farmer who grew 3290 kg of jowar. Okay, in that he kept 1376 kg for his house use, for himself. Okay, they are asking how much, and he sold the remaining. Okay, he sold the remaining jowar. He kept some jowar to himself and he sold some jowar. How much he has kept for himself is 1376 kg. How much he has sold, we have to find out by using subtraction method. Okay, so let's write down. Quantity of jowars grown by the farmer is 3290 kg. Right? So much he has grown. So we have to subtract from that quantity of jowar used for his house. Okay. Jowar kept for household use or used for his house. You can just write anything. Okay. How much he has kept for himself? 1376 kg. Okay, so much he has kept for himself. How much? So now what is the answer for this, children? What is it we have to find out? We have to find out the remaining jowar. Okay, let me just put a line for that. Okay, you guys should use a pencil to draw the line. Okay, let me just remaining jowar is equal to, we have to do subtraction here. Okay, so what is 0 minus 6? We can't do 0 minus 6 because 0 is less than 6. So what do we do now? We'll do borrowing from the left hand side. So when I borrow 1 from 9, it will become 8 and 0 will become 10, right? What is 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6 is 4. What is 8 minus 7? That is 1. What is 2 minus 3? We can't do 2 minus 3 because 2 is less than 3. So what do we do now? We'll borrow 1 from 3. 3 will become 2. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Right? Then 2 minus 1 is 1. You have to write kg also, children. Whatever unit has been given with the number should be written here. So 3290 minus 1376 is equal to 1914 kg. This much jowar is remaining and that is what he sold. Okay. Understood, children? Let's write the next one. In a month, a person's earning is rupees 9500. He spent rupees 3268 on household expenses. How much money did he save? So, in 1 month, a person earns rupees 9500. How much he is spending? He is spending rupees 3268. So, how much is remaining is what they are asking. Okay. So, let's write down. Monthly earnings is equal to, children, the way I am writing, you have to write it the same way. Okay, I have to write down equals exactly at the working column margin, and whatever working sums you have to do it in the working column. Okay, what is the monthly earning here? Rupees 9500, right? What about monthly expenses? How much he has spent? Monthly expenses is equal to how much is it? Rupees 3268. So what is the amount remaining with him? How much he is saved? Let's write down the answer. I'll just draw a margin here. Okay. So we have to do subtraction here, right? Therefore savings is equal to, what is 0 minus 8? We can't do. Again, can we borrow from 0? We can't, because 0 is less than this number. So I'll borrow from here. 5 will become 4, 0 will become 10, right? Then 10 will become 9, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. Rupees 6,232 is his savings for this month. Okay. Understood, children? Let's go to the next question. Rupees 8,250 was collected from donors for school children's learning program. After deducting all the expenses, rupees 894 was left. How much money was spent for the program is being asked. Okay. So let's write down first what is the money collected here. Money collected is equal to rupees 8,250, right? Then how much was the money left here? Money left is equal to rupees 894, right? So how much money was spent on the program? Therefore money spent is equal to, we have to do subtraction here. See children, I made a mistake here. What is the mistake I did here? See, I have not written units place one below the other, tens place one below the other. I have written it crossly. So I won't get the correct answer. So I have to write it down properly. So just let me use the whitener for this and I'll tell you how to. So when I'm writing 894, 0 is units place, 4 also under units place. Then below 5 I have to write 9. Then below 2 I have to write 8. Okay, just let me write it down. Okay, now let me start doing subtraction here. What is 0 minus 4? We can't do 0 minus 4 because 0 is less than 4. So let me borrow from 5. 5 will become 4, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. What is 4 minus 9? We can't do because 4 is less than 9. So borrow from the next place. 2 will become 1, 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. What is 1 minus 8? We can't do because 1 is less than 8. So borrow again from here. 8 will become 7. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 2. Sorry, 3. Okay. Then 7 minus 0 is 7. So what is the money left? Money spent on the program is rupees 7,356. So this is the answer, children. Okay, it's very simple. You have to write down the words for that, sentences for that, and then do subtraction on the given numbers. Okay, greater number minus smaller number. It's very simple. Okay, let's look at the next one. 8,000 liter of water is required to fill a water tank completely. Now it has 6,398 liter of water. How much more water is required to fill the tank? Okay, so one water tank holds 8,000 liter of water. For now, it only has 6,398 liter. So how much more we should add now? That is can be calculated by using subtraction. Okay, water capacity of the tank. The water capacity is equal to 8,000 liter. Okay, capital L is the unit for liter. Like how kilogram means kg, right? Rupees means this symbol. Like that only for liter we have to write capital L. Then what is the water filled now? Water filled now is equal to how much liter is filled? 6,398 liter. What is it we have to find out, children? How much more water is required to fill? Okay, water required to fill the tank is equal to, we have to do subtraction here. See, this is 8,000 minus 6,398. We can't do 0 minus 8 and all the places are 0. So we have to start borrowing from this number here. 8 will become 7, 0 will become 10. 10 will become 9, 0 will become 10. 10 will become 9, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the water required to fill the tank is equal to 1,602 liter. So this is the answer for this question. Children, we have solved 4 problems today here, right? All these 4 problems, please write down once in classwork and once in homework, children. Okay, practice it well. Thank you.